So we're here right now at Villamor Air Base. So we're going to Terminal 3, but then we experience heavy traffic here. Heading, what do you call this, having a heavy traffic. Even if I use alternate route, it's because right now is rush hour in the morning. So we're going to Terminal 3, and then my passenger, my guest is from United States of America. So it's a heavy traffic, but then after this maybe we can move on there. So our location right now is the Villamor Air Base, the headquarters of Philippine Air Force. So we're now moving. Oh, shout out to all of you, Lewis University. All right, there are our guests right now going to Silay International Airport.
If anyone watching is coming to Lewis University, ask for Colin McKay.
Wow, you shout out
I
to
will
you.
welcome you there. I can show you around Chicago.
Wow. Oh, that is an army.
Is this military up here?
Yeah.
Oh nice.
Why are they going? There's no war here.
Marines. Oh, there's a lot of U.S. Marines here at Subic Bay.
But
Subic
this
Bay.
Filipino army, right?
Yeah, Philippine Army. Marines, that is Marines. Anyway, Navy, what do you call this? We have a naval base here in Subic Bay. But then it was, they left like 1996, 1998, like that. Yeah. So the American soldier almost stay here in like 94 years here in the Philippines.
Wow.
Yeah. So we're now heading to the airport. Just like almost 1 kilometer, but then so heavy traffic here. So until next time, see you soon, and keep on watching Mr. Philippines, Mr. Everything Philippines, and have a good day.
Look up for you.
Like and subscribe. Salamat.
Okay. Oh, salamat daw, salamat.
Salamat.
From Lewis University. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Salamat.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.